parents were thought to abandon him from the day he was born. His distinctive feature has had him labeled a monkey. The boy is now becoming a household name, both locally and on international scene. The story begins in the late 90s, on the 12th of December 1999, in Ngara, district of Tanzania. Elie'S Nsanzimana was born in a Lukore refugee camp. Everyone around him was shocked, the doctors included. He was born different. His parents, however, were pleased and only saw him as an answered prayer. Their firstborn, second, third, and fourth children had tragically died due to mysterious circumstances. It prompted them to pray desperately. They begged God to at least bless them with a disabled child. The family eventually came back to Rwanda, where Elie'S was raised and still lives. His upbringing was difficult, mainly due to extreme poverty of his family and a society that failed to accept him. As if getting bullied wasn't enough, he grew up hated and occasionally beaten by his neighbors. His mother had told them the story about how white people wanted to buy him back in Tanzania. The neighbors kept telling her she should have taken the deal. Fortunately, there is a plot twist. Some journalists learned about this story and aired it on a YouTube channel. It went viral and touched the hearts of millions. The journalists opened a GoFundMe page and people across the globe donated. As a result, the family got rid of an old house in a very poor conditions and moved into a brand new, fully furnished home. They couldn't believe the house was theirs. The mother expressed her immense gratitude to everyone that donated and also said she had one last wish: her son to be in school. It didn't take long for the same journalists to come back. This time, they brought the good news that they are taking Nsanzimana Elie'S to school. His mother had never paid him a visit. Maximed took the opportunity to be part of this amazing story, and we took her from the southern province to Rubavu in the west to see for herself how her son is doing in school. The officials at Uvumwe Community Center, the school Nsanzimana is attending, gave us a positive feedback about how he's adapting to a new life. Her mother also endorsed that, as someone who lived with him his entire life, she claimed her son is truly improving. She thinks so high of him. She believes he can learn and has previously said she could even become a mother-in-law thanks to Elie'S Nsanzimana. We can only wish him the best of luck. Thank you for watching.
Maximed, link up with the world.